The $200 trillion question: can Bitcoin become the medium of exchange of global finance? Flint West, reporting from the front lines of finance. Forget digital gold for a second. This is bigger. This is the $200 trillion question. Can Bitcoin become the rail for all money? Listen close. Everybody talks about Bitcoin as a store of value. Digital gold, $2 trillion chasing $20 trillion. That's the obvious headline. But the real story, the dangerous one, the one bankers whisper about after midnight, is Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. Because here's the bet. If $200 trillion worth of assets, fiat stablecoins, tokenized treasuries, cross-border settlement, if all that migrates onto Bitcoin rails, then we're not talking about digital gold anymore. We're talking about the neutral plumbing of global money. And you know what that means? Bank deposits start bleeding out. Not because people suddenly hate their local bank, but because the innovation lives elsewhere. Instant settlement, streaming payments, programmable contracts, all unlocked by holding your dollars, euros, yen, or renminbi as stablecoins on public Bitcoin rails. That's the hysterical disruption nobody's pricing in. A drain on deposits so relentless, banks are forced to compete not with each other, but with the gravity of liquidity itself. And liquidity doesn't care about branches or marble lobbies. It cares about throughput, neutrality, finality. So here's the question that keeps me up at night. Can Bitcoin scale fast enough? Lightning, Taproot assets, Fediment, the whole damn bundle, to become the default medium of exchange before some other chain locks it in? Because if it can, then store of value was just the warm-up act. Medium of exchange is the main event. And unit of account? That comes last, when the world finally stops counting in dollars and starts measuring wealth in satoshis. The $200 trillion question is simple, but the answer will rewrite banking as we know it. Flint West, signing off from the edge of disruption. The $200 trillion question isn't if Bitcoin matters, it's whether the world can stop it from becoming the default medium of exchange. And trust me, you can't stop liquidity gravity.